Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a Netflix account using your mobile phone. This convenient method grants you access to a vast library of streaming content anytime, anywhere. So, let's dive right in. First, launch Netflix. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started. Enter your email and choose a password. Click on Create Account. Click on Verification link to confirm your account. Complete the sign-up process and choose your plan. Choose a plan that fits your preferences. Then, select your preferred payment method. It's either credit or debit card, digital wallet, or mobile bill. And that's it. You've successfully created your Netflix account on your mobile phone. Now you can enjoy a wide range of streaming content. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Happy streaming! Bye bye!